Money. So many Americans like their money. You want to make more money? I'll show you what's up. Obviously, I live the life of extreme luxury. Whether it be homeless, as a nomad that I am, I'm trying to exaggerate this as much as I can, or driving somebody else's car, or a person who might own a dealership. That's common. And I guess you can call it using other people's money. You've heard about that term before. I'm liking this view better though. So today's what, the 11th of October 2022. So I had some physical. What was a massage? It's called a massage. Saturday, my first. I was supposed to do the previous Saturday, but some kind of hurricane. It got kind of breezy that previous 29th of September. So most of the city was shut down. So I pushed it off a week. It was a different kind of massage, and it was a different kind of physical therapy. The way she was pulling my muscles. I got this like glare in my head from, I don't know. That's why probably why I prefer this view. I like a palm tree though too. It was different. So there's not just one type of massage. There's not just one type of physical therapy. There's not just one type of way to cure multiple sclerosis or your cancers that you have, or there's some kind of COVID thing going on. 2019. Just one way to cure your allergies. I had allergies for like a month straight. I talked about that back, starting at first week of May. Finished it off like in June, I think. Got the bee pollen. Went to the beach. I go to the beach all the time, but I went to the water. I just submerged, baptized myself in the Atlantic Ocean. So the other thing is about money is that, see, with God, there's just money, okay? Before I forget, I should say I'm a big fan of Michael Lozier, Losier. Maybe I should find his YouTube channel or one of his videos. He wrote a book called Law of Attraction. He talks about money and okay, so many people want to manifest money, more money. And their idea of money is dollars, but he says there's resistance when you do that because you're putting a mediator in there, which is going to be dollars, to buy that thing you eventually want to get. People want to save, which they never do. I'm going to save for a house. I'm going to save for a car. That never fucking happens. And when you do, guess what? How many people save for a car? One guy, he saved for his car. Well, insurance companies are they're taking that bait all day long right now, the whole hurricane thing, but they lost it. But then they won't even use it, or they'll lose it because of drunk driving or something. But they're saving dollars. Michael Lozier says that there's, by putting instead of putting the dollars that you need to get to buy the house, to get the car that you want, the Rolls Royce Phantom extended wheelbase, which costs $400,000, give or take a few pennies. Your Bugatti, your Ferrari, your Pagani, those are like $2.3 million. Just focus on the thing that you want. And then Abraham Hicks, she says, if you want that thing, which in the having and getting of it, I just got a text message. You're not going to get it. The getting and having of it is all about you feeling happier. So just feel happy, and then you'll get whatever you want and more. which Abraham Hicks, she wrote the book, you know, Ask and It Is Given. Obviously, her version of law of attraction. She really influenced The Secret, the book called The Secret. It mostly goes back to the parables in the Bible. For example, the common one is Luke 6:38, which is, given, it should be given unto you, good measure, pressed down, shaken together, running over. What does that mean? Give, just keep giving dollars, give them dollars. You know, take careful dollar. You know, obviously Ernest Angley and Kenneth Copeland and Billy Graham. Billy Graham, I don't think he's around anymore. And, you know, Franklin Graham and Oral Roberts. They like to get your dollars. But no, it's not about that. Give attention. So God gives us what we give our attention to, not what we ask for. So I like Mukology. It takes the thing off of the, you know, money, because people have it in their minds that they need dollars, okay, as well as the issue of taking the issue off of just money, just get happy. And that's what it really comes down to, y'all. But I'm just gonna hit this pretty good right here. That you know what, and the problem that people are having with money and that the big resistance thing is racism. They think that the only way to get only money is dollars, and they live in this world of income and earning and all that stuff. And just look at me, y'all. I am beyond poverty. I mean, we're bringing in like income of like less than $10,000 a year. We're showing that, okay? You hear me? My income is lower than pretty much anybody. I am disabled. I don't work. Yeah, I have the books. I do the sex videos, and I make money. I can, you know, I receive checks from Google because of the ads through the YouTube, and then you've got I love this palm tree right here. Royalties on other products in which I'm involved, and it goes on and on and on and on. Cryptocurrency is a big one for me, and I love my plug power. We just fell on our ass below $20 again, after we were at one point almost $75, after being at 96 cents. December 2017. Wow. This fucker's volatile, right? And the thing is, it's just like people have got it ingrained in their head in this white supremacy world of dollars. Okay, so you're looking at me, my income. I don't live on dollars. The problem with your dollars is that you're going to still have to buy the thing, and you're fucked in this white supremacy world of transactional love. Great, you can force a person to sell you a widget. But okay, now you bought it. Are you happy? I got my this I see my noodle. This is my noodle. Okay. You know how much I paid for that noodle? And I've played with that thing probably more than any toys that I have. Oh, and this tablet that I'm using right now. People pay dollars for these tablets. I don't know how this even got involved. My friend Rob, shout out to Dr. Rob up in Seatown. People know how pretty much ran NASA, alright? He's given me so many of his like expired, like, you know, gadgets, electronics. I mean, he gave me the Samsung S4 and I got a lot of use out of that thing. Just gave it to me. And then I don't know why he even charged me $20 for this tablet. This is the Google Pixel. And you can see how amazing this quality is on this thing. Boo. And I'm able to zoom in on selfies. That's cool, right? And he put all the upgrades on it and all that stuff. I mean, it's got like 256 gigabytes of everything and super high RAM. And not just the storage, but I mean, it's got all, you know, I mean, oh my god. He just went all out with this thing. Extra, like, motherboards and all that stuff. I don't know. I mean, the quality is just amazing. I didn't have to buy it. That's grace, y'all. I don't even know how the $20 got involved. He gave me a charger for this thing too, which is an extended, like longer charger, which is amazing because I use it for my other phone. But the point is, something like this would cost a lot of dollars. I mean, there's so many things. I mean, this condo right here would go for, in like Miami, for example, right, the location where I am, it's a minimum $350 to $500 dollars, $100,000, like $500,000 y'all. Here, this was just sold for $84,500. April, you can see the records. All right, and then I'm still here. I'm going month to month, and the owners are coming down. I just talked to them. And they're getting me a new. Oh my God, it's amazing. I had this flood. This is their place. So they're cleaning these floors, the walls, which I did. It's not my responsibility. It's not, I mean, but I'm living here, and I get the refrigerator new, and the door. Exterior, you can see the exterior doors. Like, I haven't been closed, but I haven't closed. I mean, I'll leave this place and just leave it open. There's nothing. This is all password protected. Everything's, got cameras around. So, but the thing is I mean, the mansions where I've stayed in 2014, I stayed at a mansion referred by a man to a 13,000 square foot home in Pompano Beach. I was house manager. I fired the grounds crew, the landscapers, because I didn't feel good about them. That was me. They're people who are billionaires. They're scared of dollars. They keep getting more of it, and I had access to their cash account of, God, what do people, they get these dollars, they get scared of, like, oh my God, what happens if it goes up? They get scared of this stuff. So it's not about dollars, y'all. It's not about dollars. It's not about income. Income is not your friend here in the United States of America. Mark Zuckerberg, founder and president and CEO of Facebook, makes an annual income of $1 from Facebook. His own company pays him $1. Jeffrey Bezos doesn't make any, and they're not as rich as you might think they are. They're just paper. The places where I stay in the Caribbean, Hawaii. I just did Hawaii. You heard what my income is. I'm telling you the truth. I live in extreme luxury. When I'm on airplanes, because I'm blind, I get on first, and I get off first. Well, usually when I'm with the girls, I don't get off first. I let them, they get the first one or two. And then it's multiple. Ooh-wee. And it's, people, they try the Viagra stuff. They'll even do what I tell them to do. Ginger and cayenne pepper, but it's really just, it's in your head, it's in your mind. So really, money is in your mind, y'all. What do you really want? Do you want happiness? I talk about Galatians 5:22, love, joy, peace. Ultimately, what you want is peace, joy, and the Holy Ghost, which is the right, which is the kingdom of God. Anyways, Jesus, he hit it up regarding money. Whose inscription is on this? Okay, what should we do? George Washington and Abraham Lincoln and I keep thinking Daryl Hamilton, but Alexander Hamilton, and what the fuck that guy was. And then Andrew Jackson, what a fucking loser. Go look at the Hermitage, okay? Look into the Hermitage in Nashville. Andrew Jackson, and then Grant, and then I call him Harvey Grant or Horace Grant. Or the other dude, Benjamin Franklin, another weird guy. He did a lot of inventions. But these dudes, I mean, they're fucking racist, man. Slave owner was Andrew Jackson. Whose inscription do you want to serve? Do you want to go suck on and take it up the ass from Caesar? and what's his name? Donald Trump and Barack Hussein Obama. Oh, they got Joe Biden now. They're not, their inscriptions. Actually, Donald Trump was signing his name on those checks for the stimulus. They called it money. And now, make sure FEMA. FEMA's all over this stuff now. Oh my God. I mean, the mansions where I've been staying and the nice places. I lived in a guy's garage for a weekend in Notre Dame. couch surfing. Check out couch surfing. The relationships I've been blessed and graced with through couch surfing, Airbnb, which came from couch surfing, hostels. But no, you want your fucking Hilton, which pays their landscapers way the fuck less than Marriott and all that shit, than honest, real, business, which still is business. The cars, I mean, the Lincoln Continental that you see a lot on Facebook and YouTube, which I bought that for $1,000, y'all, dollars, and I ended up getting more out of it than what I paid for it in dollars, and I drove it all throughout the country, blind. I drove the Bentley Continental drop top. You can see that video on YouTube. Just put in my name, then Bentley Continental, yeah, drop top. A lot in Sarasota, which could cost more than most people's houses. But the thing is, that it's Bentley. Crap compared to the Lincoln Continental. The Lincoln Continental paid $1,000 for that thing. So it's not always about the big dollars you're paying. I mean, I love my BMW 7, but my wife, she found it and got that. It's a big back seat for the baby. It's easier to put them in the car seats. That's fun. That's what's so nice about the 7. It's extended, so you get the longer back seat. But I can turn now I'm talking about Kia, the Optima, or the new one they have, the K5. So I can't turn the back seat into push the seat up a little bit, right? But I mean, the way it drives, the way that the transmission, yeah, and I can push it if I wanted to. But why do you need the fucking name Nike anyway? Why do you need the name Aeropostale or IOU shirts? You gotta go suck on, take up the ass from your USA. By the way, USA, just so y'all know, if you haven't watched my other videos, is an acronym for white supremacy. I heard some very strange noises today. So, you want money? Do you want dollars or do you want money? Come on. Dollars is one of the most toxic forms of money. As you can see, that it's going down in value. Inflation's just going through the roof. You look at the Bitcoin, obviously not 19,000, but you need $19,000 just to get one Bitcoin. $1,300 just to get one Ethereum. One little Ethereum digital token. Coin, It's very funny. Cars, houses. This condo right here is, and I didn't even find this, y'all. SMA. Because of my mental illnesses, my multiple sclerosis, my blindness helped me find this place. I was in the Caribbean, y'all. Caribbean. But no, I was actually potential of actually being with my daughter. Wow, in Nashville. I flew into Orlando. WTF. And of course the mother had disappeared and continued to bully me. I didn't realize what was bullying, and it's a very serious crime, 825.102. It's abuse of an elderly or disabled person. People are taking not when I say people, I'm not talking about police. They're actually taking that a little more certain. Like that, we got codes and statutes, but the police just kind of piss on it. Just ignore it. It's not your money, y'all. That's your money. Understand, it's getting out of that box. And it's not just going to come through a career and a job. Yeah, the first year I made 6 figures. Yay, 2005. There's so many ways to have that thing that you want. And you can have or do whatever you want and have. Want to have. It just is a matter of getting happy. We'll finish it off here. Thanks for watching.